In a recent report by the CNN, it was alleged that China created an alternative narrative to cover up the real outbreak of the coronavirus. The report claims that with the official truth scrubbed from the Chinese internet, the authorities lied to the world that the virus was from China. By denying China's real efforts to fight the virus and calling the government slow in response, CNN claims that the individuals they interviewed with disconnected personal stories are the truth tellers simply because their narratives are different from China's official revelation. Why is CNN lying about China's fight against the virus? I'm Dr. Qiao. The COVID-19 was barely known to the world before December 2019. As soon as early cases were spotted in Wuhan, China had informed the World Health Organization and other countries on January 3, 2020. To this day, scientists are still working hard to trace the origin of the virus. There are many reports showing that the earliest human cases may not be the ones found in Wuhan. On January 23rd, China had performed a lockdown in Wuhan to prevent the virus from spreading fast. The same day, there was only one confirmed case in the US. But the Trump administration downplayed the virus and lied to the public. By taking firm actions against the virus under the central leadership, China slowed down the pandemic after a few months, and domestic social life largely went back to normal. CNN didn't do a timely report on China's progress. When Twitter and Facebook single-handedly shut down the US top official's account in January, CNN made no remark about the freedom of expression. CNN didn't say that China was also leading the sprint in developing effective vaccines to the world. Chinese vaccines have mainly been sent to developing societies. It is now being used in more than 50 countries. More than 3.5% of the Chinese population have been vaccinated. By the end of June, that number is going to reach 40%. China has been closely collaborating with WHO and called for international society to tackle the pandemic together without reservation. China opened its facilities and received WHO's experts to investigate the origin of COVID-19. CNN's report on China's fight against the pandemic was biased. Its true purpose is to cover up the US politicians' negligence of duty due to re-elections and partisanship.